The center of power is the source of crisis. Sanambira mashoko atuna kuti panguva inoi aiwa the presidency yachiatakwa zvakuda pachina anodwa subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda muzimbabwe domunanyara chiti echoing the sentiments ZNLWVA chairman Andreas Matibela laid the blame squarely on the government. In quotes, by no means is this a poor country, Matibela said, but the source of the problem is the center of power. Matibela lamented the entrenchment of corruption, nepotism, and the emergence of dynamic politics, accusing leaders of amassing wealth at the expense of ordinary citizens. He revealed that various veterans groups had returned to the Joint Operations Command (JOC), demanding accountability and respect for citizens' right to peaceful protest. Matibela also announced a mass demonstration scheduled for 31 March, where Zimbabweans will be called to the streets to peacefully show they have yet enough of misgovernance. Thomas Farubdanjongwa panapa nana Matibela resolution akanga vainawo nezuro achiti aiwa takambozama tikuzama and now we have set the date 31 March kuti aiwa ma-citizens ashedzwe nema-war vets vakwanise kunoratidzira muma-streets kuti aiwa taneta aiwa nemisgovernance, taneta aiwa nepoor government yatikona panguva inoi haisi kuseva the wishes ne the will of the citizens, but they are just pushing nekungotora mari vachingopa ma-allies tiona kuti vese vanongoenda against them aiwa they are being thwarted. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwa chimene comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.